I'm Cassy Woodforth, coming to you live from Tenerife, Brisbane, reporting to you that the sales funnel is dead. The sales funnel is dead. The sales funnel is dead. The sales funnel, it's dead. The sales funnel, it's dying. I know that sounds dramatic, but hear me out. I mean, hey, we got to get some engagement somehow, right? The sales funnel is dead. I know that sounds dramatic, but hear me out. That linear path from awareness to purchase that we've all been obsessing over for decades, it doesn't match how people actually buy anymore. Today's buyers don't follow funnels, they follow loops. They research on their own, rock up to your website already educated, and often know more about your product than your sales team expects them to. The traditional funnel assumes people are clueless and need to be guided step by step. The loop assumes that they're smart and meets them wherever they happen to be in their journey. So here's what's actually happening. A prospect might discover you through a podcast or stalk you on LinkedIn. They might read your case studies, watch your demo videos, and then book a call, all before you even know that they exist. They're not moving through your funnel, they're creating their own journey. HubSpot's new loop model gets this. Instead of trying to control the buyer's journey, it's focusing on being helpful wherever the buyer happens to be. It's about creating value at every touch point, not pushing people through predetermined steps. The companies that are winning today have shifted from how do we get them to the next stage to how do we provide value right now. They're creating content that educates, tools that help, and experiences that actually delight, regardless of where someone is in their buying process. So this isn't just a marketing shift, it's a fundamental change in how we think about growth. The loop is continuous, relationship focused, and built on trust rather than pressure. Happy customers become advocates who bring in more customers, creating a self-reinforcing cycle. Have a look at your current sales and marketing process. Are you still thinking in funnels, or have you embraced the loop? The businesses that make this shift first are going to have a massive advantage. What's one way you could add value to prospects, regardless of where they are in their buying journey? Share your ideas below. And if you want more marketing insights, hit subscribe below. Happy HubSpotting.